Now we make the button opener. Button opener, there is a magnet here. We put the stick at the back. We have different types. You may choose different types. And this is the picture. Better use 157. This is the gasket. When making the button opener, we have to put this gasket at the B mode. Now let's see the detail. This side is the A mode. A mode. Pay attention to the two dies. There is a buffer. The buffer have to against the pillar. See, B mode, when you press down, there is no gap. And the die buff against to the pillar. A side, the die buffer against the die pillar. And there is a gap when you press A mode. Attention, put this gasket into the B mode and then put it inside the back. Press harder when you press B mode, no gap.